guys, Impulse Dave here. This could be my intro video as co-owner of Impulse Rising. So I'm going to explain who I am, what I do, and what will be happening in the future of this team. First off, my name is Dave, or you may know me from my YouTube channel, Dave the Gamer FTW. I've been playing COD for over a decade and started my first COD in COD 3, and played every COD ever since. I also started my YouTube channel during the summer of 2014, around the time Black Ops 2 was the main COD, and the videos mostly revolving around COD and GTA. So far I've joined 3 COD teams that have either disbanded or just became inactive, and now I'm deciding to make my own team, run by Impulse Void and me. We will be posting COD montages, COD/editing tutorials, and other games with the team, and whatever we decide to branch off into in the future. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. See you guys later.